Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. How does the free one-to-one onboarding with the Search Atlas looks like? So this is one of one of the person who just signed up to the Search Atlas free trial using our affiliate link. And this is how like we get connected. All you have to do is just email to us at abdullah@abdullahzai.com or even WhatsApp me at the number like I'll pop it up onto the screen. And as you can see, this is the group that I have formed with my expert here, and this is how like we are deciding for a time. So basically one-to-one complete onboarding for your Search Atlas Auto. I mean, in no time, otherwise, like if you book the appointment with the Search Atlas team and stuff, and it would cost same to you whether you sign up directly to the Search Atlas or you sign up using our affiliate link. And even like on our YouTube channel, like if you'll try to search for the Search Atlas, you will find like we have already created like 6 months back this one of the review video. Like people really appreciated it, like 2000 views and stuff. People are constantly searching for it, even the pricing breakdown. And of course, like people love this particular bonus. So all in all, what you have to do, I'll just repeat again, abdullahzahid.com, sorry, abdullahzahid.com/auto, OTTO. Once you type it and you just click enter, it will reroute you to the Search Atlas website. And here you just click on start free trial and take the trial and just email to us at abdullah@abdullahzai.com or WhatsApp me at +919958457688. We'll take care of your entire bonus set. And I would be really appreciative for you signing up using our link, and definitely you'll love the support that you'll get. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you.